What basic bookkeeping skills should be learned by a small business owner? My name is Nina, and this is a quick business tip. If you would like to know more about business operations, please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking the notification bell so you will be alerted when new videos are uploaded. Bookkeeping. I've seen many a small business owner cringe when I even mention the word. But the subject of bookkeeping should not make you cringe if you understand how to perform basic bookkeeping tasks. Learn these 5 bookkeeping tasks and keep your business moving forward if your company is between bookkeepers, as well as empower you as a business owner. Learn how to write checks using your company's bookkeeping software. This ensures that your financial documents are 100% accurate, and it places the check information on a number of financial reports. Printing reports like your profit and loss, income statements, bank account info, sales info, and other information not only empowers you as a business owner, it keeps the business owner up to date with the financial health of your company. Enter the dollar amount your company owes its vendors. This report allows you to see the dollar amount owed to your company, how much income your company can expect to receive from its customers. Just as you should want to see what customers owe you, you should want to see what you owe to your vendors. These are tasks that most business owners won't perform on a daily basis, especially if there is a bookkeeper on staff. I suggest creating a business process, a written business process for each of these tasks, and regularly following these steps to learn these important bookkeeping tips. Thanks for watching.